Very pleasant good evening to all. Today, I would like to present one model examination paper. This stuff is quite useful to those candidates who wish to prepare ham radio examination of themselves. Qualifying restricted grade is quite easy, particularly there is a facility of getting exemption to the engineering students from ECE stream in the similar manner diploma electronic holders, diploma ECE holders, BSc electronics, they also will be exempted. I have been continuously sharing the videos with a view to rope in more and more eligible and enthusiastic people who are hailing from all walks of life. Please kindly help me in my endeavor to rope in more and more eligible candidates in this activity. For this, please kindly subscribe and share my videos, which is one way or other gives more encouragement to do this kind of videos. Without wasting time, I'm straight away going and sharing one more video straight away. So this is model paper number 4. It will be 25 questions and each question will carries 2 marks, 25 into 2, 25 into 2, total 50 marks. To qualify on this examination, one should get at least 20 marks out of 50. So to get 20 marks, if you are able to write 10 questions, 10 multiple object questions correct, you will be awarded with 20 marks. 10 into 2, 20 marks. So target is very, very easy. Those who follows my videos can very easily can prepare for this examination. And moreover, for exempted people, it is only 30 minutes examination. Straight away, they are eligible to apply for a lifetime communication, international communication license. So the first question in this model paper is, in Morse code transmission, what will be the duration of dot? Then the duration of dash is 30 milliseconds. So there is a relation between dot and dash, dot and dash. So Morse code is the combination of these dots and dashes in a systematic manner. Dot we will write like this, dot, and dash it will be like this. The relation between dot and dash is 1:3. Suppose that dot is 1 second, dash should be 3 seconds. Here in this case, dash is 30 milliseconds, dash is, so automatically dot becomes 10 milliseconds. So the ratio between dot and dash is 1:3. So when it is dash is 30, dot becomes 10 milliseconds. Answer is bravo. How often must an amateur station be identified? Actually, when contacting another station, so ham radio station have to be identified themselves in the beginning and ending compulsory. So here in these options, at least once it's not the correct option, at the beginning and end of the each transmission, at the beginning of at least every 30 minutes after that. At least every 30 minutes and at the beginning and at the end of contact. Yes, this is the correct option. At least every 30 minutes and at the beginning and at the end of contact. This is the correct option. If they are continuously having conversation, say some 2 hours, at least for every 30 minutes, they have to identify themselves in between. And beginning, apart from this, beginning and end of the contact. This is the correct option. Delta is the correct option. The abbreviation for I have nothing for you is, it is the abbreviation, not the Q code. So normally I have nothing for you. Q code is QRU, but whereas it is not a Q code, it is abbreviation. Abbreviation means the correct answer is a nil. I have nothing for you is nil. Correct answer is bravo. The phonetic user for alphabet N is alphabets. N is November. Like this, A is alpha, B is Bravo, C is Charlie. Like this, 26 alphabets are having 26 phonetics. So please kindly go through all these phonetics. Here in this case, N is November. The urgent messages in Morse code are indicated by, urgent messages indicated Morse code. In Morse code is XXX. The correct option is XXX. Urgent messages means when a ship, aircraft, or any other mobile vehicle or the safety of a person is in grave danger. So they will be requesting for immediate assistance. It is having absolute priority over all other calls except distress. That means distress communication is having topmost priority, and next priority will be given to this urgent messages. Urgent messages indicated by in Morse code, it is XXX, 3 letters. Question number 6, the emission that indicates a FM broadcast station is, FM broadcast station emission is here in this answer is F3A. F3A is FM broadcast station. Bravo is the correct option. What are the letters required to be sent for a third station to enter? What are the letters? So if they ask what are the word means, answer should be break. But they have clearly mentioned what are the letters required to be sent for a third station to enter. Here in this case, correct option is BK. Bravo is the answer. Question number 8. The word used in voice which is equivalent to the word DE. In Morse code, DE means that is in telephony equivalent to this is. The correct option is this is. Bravo is the correct option. And again, question number 9. The letters, those are required to be sent in the time of distress in voice transmission are. At the time of distress in voice transmission, Mayday, these letters have to be sent when a station is in grave danger and requesting for immediate assistance. It is having top priority over all other calls. Here in this case, Bravo is the correct answer. The Q code for test signal is, Q code for test signal is, it is QSU. No, it is QSV. The correct answer is QSV. Means I am going to send a series of V's on this frequency. Charlie is the answer. Then it is necessary to make some adjustments of transmitter or receiver These test signals have to be sent. The Q port for this QSB. Question number 11. The frequency of distress signal in Morse code transmission is Morse code transmission's frequency is 500 kilohertz. Answer is the Bravo. The frequencies those are designated with HX can be used. This HX means intermediately. So these things you have to remember always. HX means intermediately. That means anytime. The duty time may be anytime. So during daytime means this one is the HJ. 24 hours means it is a H24. During night time means HN. But intermediately that is equal to HX. So correct option is intermediately. Delta is the correct option. The suffix that is required to be sent along with the call sign for a mobile amateur station is the suffix means which comes after our call sign. Prefix means that comes before our call sign. Here in this case, in mobile operation, the suffix MBO should come. Suppose my call is BA2RDM. BA2RDM MBO. MBO means mobile operation. Because others, those who are monitoring and the frequency, they will come to know I am in mobile operation. So, the next question 14, what will be the speed in WPM when a message being transmitted contains 60 characters in a minute? 60 characters in a minute. What is the speed? Then how many words per minute? So 5 character is equivalent to 1 word. So how many words are there in 60 characters? 60 by 5. It is equivalent to 12 words per minute. So the speed is 12 words per minute. Delta is the correct answer. Test signal cannot be continued. Test signal cannot be continued for more than 30 seconds. This test signal, whether it is necessary to adjust transmitter, receiver, or for any experiment, these test signal have to be sent, but it cannot be continued more than 30 seconds. If you want to continue more than 30 seconds, you should use an artificial dummy load antenna, so that others, those who are on the frequency, they will not get any disturbance due to our transmission. So that is the idea. So it cannot be continued more than 30 seconds. So question number 16. The emission that is used to send Morse code by on-off keying the unmodulated carrier in CW transmission is unmodulated carrier. So Morse code is 2 types. One is modulated carrier, another one is unmodulated carrier. These both are Morse codes, but this is a modulated carrier, this is unmodulated. So A1A is the correct option. Alpha is the correct option. The department that is responsible for highest level of time and frequency measurements in India is. So here the department is National Physical Laboratory. This is the department that is responsible for highest level of time and frequency. NPL, National Physical Laboratories. Next question 18. The amateur station on a ship can contact another amateur on land on a frequency authorized to, provided if they authorized to transmit on amateur stations. An amateur station wherever it is authorized to communicate with another amateur station only. Here the answer is Bravo. VHF frequency range that is authorized to amateurs is Amateur radio operators are authorized to operate in between 144 megahertz to 146 megahertz. This is the frequency. One starts with the 144, carefully out observe, ends up to 146. 2 megahertz bandwidth. Next question, when it is 11 a.m. UTC, what will time in IST? The UTC and IST is the relation between these things is IST, it will lead 5.5 hours ahead of UTC. So when you know UTC 11 a.m., so you have to add 5.5 hours. So the answer is 1630 hours. 11 plus 5.5 hours, 1630 hours. Charlie is the correct answer. Next, the Q code for are you busy is are you busy. The Q code is that is the correct option is a QRL. Correct option. Are you busy? Next question, the PON transmitted thrice indicates. The PON is a signal when it is in very danger, a station is danger, requesting for immediate assistance. The PON is urgency signal. It is having second priority over the distress signal. So the correct option is urgency signal. The phonetic used to represent digit 8 is figure code Octo 8. Octo 8, Charlie is the correct option. Octo 8. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For every number, there is a phonetic like Una 1, Besso 2, Terra 3, Carte 4, Penta 5, Soxy 6, Sette 7, Octo 8, Nova 9, Nada 0. Octo 8 is the figure 8, digit 8. 24. What should you do if your CW transmission send QRX? This is the code word QRS. When using Morse code, so send slower. That means the other person requesting us to send slower. QRS. Like this, 33 codes are there. We have to go through all these codes. QRS, S means slow. In a similar manner, you can also remember QRQ, that is send faster, quicker. Q means quick, S means slow. Like this, you can remember these things. These are the small tips, but each and every code you cannot remember like this. So next code, next question is the last question. The written confirmation of a contract exchanged between amateurs is, whenever written confirmation is coming, the code is QSL. NR53 is confirming the contract with NR53. The correct option is Bravo. So 25 questions are there. If you are able to write at least 10 questions, you will be declared qualified in the examination. Provided if you are having exemption also in the electronic portion, this is the only exam. It is very, very easy. If you can follow me each and every video, you will easily qualify. And for any assistance while submitting application, you can call me anytime from morning 7 to evening, that is night time 11 p.m. I'm here always. The activity with which I'm associated for the last 40 years. So please kindly share and subscribe my videos so as to reach more and more people. So with this, I am saying 73 is code word. 73 means best wishes. 73 best wishes to everybody. Bye for now. So I will meet you again with the next model paper. Thank you. Bye.